नमस्कार। हमारे समाज में और आजकल हमारे सोसाइटी को भी अगर आप देख लें तो ऐसे कई सारे लोग हैं जो बात करते हैं विमेन एम्पावरमेंट की, जो बात करते हैं विमेन राइट्स की, लेकिन उनमें से बहुत कम ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको आप एक्चुअली अपनी उंगलियों पे गिन सकते हैं, जो सच में ग्राउंड पे जाके काम करते हैं। आज मेरे साथ जो गेस्ट मौजूद हैं वो एक ऐसी इंसान हैं जिन्होंने 2 स्टूडेंट से चालू किया था और आज 10,000 से ज़्यादा फीमेल्स को उन्होंने सेल्फ डिफेंस में ट्रेन किया हुआ है। स्पेशलिटी क्या है, सारी चीज़ों के बारे में उनसे बात करेंगे, लेकिन अगर उनके बारे में मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बताऊं तो राइट नाउ शी इज़ प्राइड ऑफ नेशन 2024 राष्ट्रीय अशोका अवार्ड विनर, जो कल ही अभी मेरी उनसे बात हो रही थी, उन्होंने कहा वो कल ही ये अवार्ड लेकर के आई हैं। इसके अलावा इंडियन आइकॉन का अवार्ड उनके साथ है, विमेन फेस ऑफ द ईयर, और साथ ही साथ ह्यूमन राइट प्रोटेक्शन कमीशन की ये मेंबर भी हैं। इसके अलावा शी इज़ फाउंडर ऑफ Astha Z Self Defense Academy. Please welcome Astha on our show. Astha, welcome to my show first of all, and congratulations for whatever you're doing right now.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
मुझे ये बताइए, ये आपकी जर्नी कैसे चालू हुई है when we talk about self defense? तो यहाँ पे इस करियर में, इस एंगल में आप कैसे आए हो?
Okay. So from my childhood, I was in sports a lot, right? So I was sports captain of my school, right? And then in my university, I was a rifle shooter. Then I was an NCC cadet as well. So I did my C certification with A grade. So I did a lot of things in my life, and I wanted to start this academy long back. When I was in 11th grade, I told my father I want to do this, but he was an IITian, right? So he told me, see, everybody in the family is in this background. If you will start with this, then what our relatives and how people will see our family. So I was like, okay, and I used to love my father a lot. So I started with my studies and all. And again, I did very well in my studies. And finally, I was a lecturer. And after that, I got married. And I got married to a IIM guy. So my husband is from IIM Bangalore. And I thought that this is a transition from IIT family to a IIM family, to be very honest. But then I was a lecturer. Monday to Friday I used to work. Then Saturday, Sunday, the people, when they take the rest, I used to go for marathons. I used to go for the tournaments. So my husband Rohit Agarwal, he only picked, yes, I think you are more interested in this field than what you are doing. So I said yes. So that was the place from where my journey started actually. He supported me a lot, and this curriculum is totally done by me, and I visited different places to understand the problem of the female in the slums, in the corporate, and in the schools. I visited different places, and I left my job. I was jobless for 1 year, 18 days, and it was very difficult task, but yes, my husband supported me that time. And finally, I started with only two students.
Yeah.
And then it was a word of mouth, and we have grown this much. And finally, this was my dream, and I'm going through it.
सो आस्था, हमारे जिस सोसाइटी में हम रह रहे हैं, दिस इज़ ट्रू कि बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है। आप काफ़ी लकी रही हैं कि आपको हस्बैंड का सपोर्ट मिल गया है। बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं जिन्हें सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता। माई क्वेश्चन टू यू इज़ कि आप स्पोर्ट्स में रह चुकी हैं, नाउ यू नो मार्शल आर्ट्स, इफ़ आई कैन से दैट, ओके। तो आपका जो करिकुलम है और जो ट्रेडिशनल मार्शल आर्ट है, इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है? क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो मेरे दिमाग में तब से था जब से मैंने आपकी प्रोफाइल देखी थी। सो हाउ इट्स डिफरेंट?
Yes, our curriculum is totally different from the other martial arts schools. It's like, see, the girls, they will learn karate, judo, taekwondo. There is a change in the belt color after every 6 months. And yes, they will learn. And that, what we are teaching is very different. What is happening with the girls these days? What the situation they are facing these days, we are teaching that. So our curriculum is every class there will be a story, scenario based story, and that the girl can imagine, yes, this is happening with me, and the self defense technique. And then we will teach the second part of our class is a mixed martial arts, what is required to fight back. And the third part of our class is high intensity workout. If you don't have stamina, you can't fight back. So all the three parts are interrelated. If the girl is black belt in martial arts, if they don't know the self-defense techniques, that martial art is of no use. Though I am a martial art player, I am black belt in karate, I really respect martial art players. But there is a gap. There's a gap of self-defense technique, and these techniques are very easy to learn, and all my curriculum is done by me only. So I have understood the problem which the girls are facing in different areas, and the curriculum, we have made a beautiful curriculum, and Dr. Kiran Bedi has awarded us for this, our curriculum. She has seen our curriculum and she has said, wonderful curriculum. So this is the way our curriculum is different from martial arts.
And I think that storytelling was quite interesting also.
Yes.
So my next question is like this. You said that you made a curriculum in a way where people just understand the need of the situation. You give them the situation in the storytelling form.
Yes.
अभी मेरी आपसे से पहले भी जब बात हो रही थी, कैमरा चालू होने से भी पहले, you told me few stories जहाँ पे आपने जिक्र भी किया था कि क्या पता आप अभी आज ऑफिस से निकल रहे हो और कोई
Yes.
आपके हाथ पकड़ के आपको कैसे, and that is quite interesting. मैं बताऊँ.
Yes, it's very interesting.
हाँ, that
If I
can
go
lead-
for a workshop in a corporates, I go for 60 minutes workshop, and it goes to 90 minutes also, more than 90 minutes also. Because even female, they're facing a lot everywhere. They want, ma'am, I want to learn this also. This has happened with me. There are many areas, many corporate places where they will start crying. They were telling me, ma'am, I have faced this in my 2 years back. I was in the lift. I was here. I was there. It's quite disheartening for me as well. But yes, if I can teach, means I can help my society, definitely.
एंड दोज स्टोरीज एक्चुअली एक सिचुएशन में मेरी ऐसी आ गई थी, आपसे मैं बात करती थी, मेरे को लगा एक सेकंड अगर ये मेरे साथ होगा तो मैं करूँगी क्या उस समय. तो आई कंसिडर कि ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. तो अब बात कर लेते कस्टमाइजेशन पे, क्योंकि कॉर्पोरेट्स हो गए आपके, एक इंडिविजुअल्स हो गए, फिर आपके आ जाते हैं आपकी स्कूल गोइंग गर्ल्स, कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स. इनके प्लान कैसे कस्टमाइज करते हो अगर आपको करना है तो?
So it's like our curriculum is age centric, right? So
Age-centric,
yes.
okay.
So it's like the girls who are going to the school. Our stories will revolve around their age, right? So you are in, for example, I'll give you a very small example.
Take my
right?
example only. हाँ.
Right, very small example. Like you are in your school, you are near a basketball court, you are playing basketball, you went back to your classroom. There, and again you forget something. Yes, I forgot my ID card near the basketball court. You went there. Nobody was there in the ground. So this way, when we speak, they can very well imagine that nobody is there to help me out, right? And there's a stranger who was hiding behind the tree, right? Immediately he came and he's holding both the hands and trying to pull you. Right, then what you will do in that situation. So 30-40 seconds we give to understand initially, but after 3 to 4 months they will get so many ideas, right? So for school going girls, it's like these type of stories. For corporate, it's like you are in the lift, you are in the cab, it's night time party, right? These
The
type
one
of,
you shared with me, जिसमें आपने मुझे शेयर करके मुझे शॉक कर दिया था.
yes, what you will do in that situation, right? And we do workshops for hospitals also, for doctors also. Like there are many cases. So candle march is not the solution. Fight back, right? So these days the hospitals, they are very serious about it, and they are conducting very regular workshops for their doctors, female doctors. So yes, those situations are related to their life. You are on the night duty, you are alone in the corridor, right? So these type of stories will be different. The self-defense technique is somewhat same. But yes, mixed martial arts is very important that we teach what is required to fight back. It's not this kick, that kick. Everybody knows that groin kick will work, but there is a proper angle for it. You should have good power in that kick. Then only that kick will work.
True
right?
that.
So we teach from there. So our curriculum is different from different age group.
True that. मतलब I have also seen people कि जब आप you give people to think about like 40 to 50 seconds कि आप 40 सेकंड में सोच के बताओ, बट जब रियल टाइम सिचुएशन आती है आपके पास वो
Nobody will give
40
you.
सेकंड नहीं होते हैं उस
Yeah,
time पे.
correct.
True. So you have
So
to act
this way, after giving this 30-40 seconds, we make the girls mentally also very strong. Yes, this can happen. For example, I give you one example. You would have never thought about this, that this can happen with me. But these are few situations which are happening with other girls, right? So we should get mentally very strong. We should get ready for this situation. This is what is the intention. And yes, nobody will give 30-40 seconds. Whenever they need to react, immediately they need to react.
That's what happened immediately when something like this happened. I think my audience can also relate. We'll go blank.
Yes, but my girls, they will fight back.
Since you're so proud of your girls, I want to know one thing. क्योंकि आप जिस रास्ते पे चल रहे हो वो बहुत आसान रास्ता नहीं है. लड़कियों को मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट्स में डालना. इट्स समथिंग जो सोसाइटी विल बी फ्राउंड अपॉन. सपोर्ट सब करेंगे बाहर से, बट इफ दे टॉक अबाउट कि हमारी बच्ची को भेजना है एंड दे हैव वेरी मच इश्यूज लाइक कि मसल ग्रोथ हो जाएगी उनकी, वो बहुत ज़्यादा उनका फिजिक जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा मैस्कुलिन लगने लगेगा. ऐसे ही आपने भी बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस फेस किए होंगे.
Yes. I'm facing a lot now also about my
कुछ बताइए, कैसी कैसी चैलेंजेस आपको मिलते हैं? कुछ तो बहुत अतरंगे भी होंगे, मैं समझ सकती हूँ, जो हम लोगों ने सोचे भी नहीं होंगे कि ये रीजन भी कोई दे सकता है. यू जस्ट टेल मी.
Yes, I agree. People appreciate my work. I agree with this. But yes, there are many challenges which I'm facing. For example, first one, like it's very difficult to get female instructors. Extremely difficult to get female instructors. Right. See, if I'll go for the instructors, male instructors, I can get many. But
As
when
much
it
as
get
you
to only female instructors, it's really very difficult. You can get female, they are interested in working with parlors. They are not at all interested in learning martial arts. But this is what we are teaching is really very interesting. But then also if I'll give them free training, then also they are more towards the parlor or this and that, something like this. They are not at all interested. Secondly, if I get the female instructor, they will get married. Right, that is good also. But then their husband will say, no, you should not continue with this. You should stop this. Even if the husband will not stop, for few instructors, I face that they will get pregnant and all. So they have to stop. So this first challenge which I'm facing is getting a female instructors. Though my martial art, this thing is only for female. We are only for female, right? We have all female instructors with all female students. It's really difficult to get the female instructors in this field. Second challenge which I'm facing is when I go to different schools, we are conducting free sessions in our government school, in orphanages, in villages, different areas we are conducting free, of course. So it's like sometimes teachers only say that they have less IQ, madam. So it's like quite, it was a surprise for me if the teacher will say like this, and how you feel, how you can accept a girl to learn, how she will learn if the teacher will say like this. So nobody can say like this, but then yes, my girls are doing well and I'm showing them that they don't have less IQ. Right. So third challenge which I'm facing is sometimes people in the society, they will ask me, Astha, you're going to so and so place, those kids, they stink so much. How you work with them? So that is another challenge, but yes, I'm showing them, see the results. When my girls, they use my techniques and get out of the situation, it's quite a proud moment for me. Right.
I want to talk about this movements after this.
Yeah, definitely.
Can you share some moments then?
Yeah. So it's like there was a girl, recently this has happened, so I'm telling you a recent one. She told me my uncle, he was holding my, holding me like this. I can sense that this was not a good touch, ma'am. So I used that technique. So as you told me, ma'am, we have to use the technique and teach him a lesson that he should think twice before touching me. He should get something hurt. Right? So I did this, madam. I felt so proud. Yes, if I can save even one girl, it's a proud moment for me.
Yes.
So then I told her, better you tell all your friends also. She told all the girls of her class that this has happened with me. And many more girls, they came up. Yes, I have used this when this has happened. In the bus, this has happened with me. Uncle was holding my hand. I was holding the pole. Uncle was holding my hand above my hand. And then I need to teach him a lesson. Ma'am, you taught me that technique. I use that technique. So this is a proud moment for me. Definitely.
This is a proud moment for you because you were teaching them. This is very proud. I don't know why I'm feeling so proud कि हाँ ये करना चाहिए था उनको, and now somebody is there to teach them how to do it, and kudos to you first of all if you're doing this. Secondly, आप ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स जीत चुकी हैं एंड आई थिंक ये सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग है. मेरे हिसाब से आपको पद्मश्री भी मिलना चाहिए. व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि वो वाली जो जर्नी है पद्मश्री वाली, वो कब तक आप ले लोगे?
So it's like we are doing our best, right?
True that.
Even if we'll get Padma Shri or not, we will keep our work going on, and we'll do our best. More, whatever I can do, I'll do my best. So awards and all, the government is ready to They are recognizing me at different places. Latest yesterday also I got that award of Ashoka Rashtriya Samman Award. But yes, they are searching my work, and they are recognizing me. So much thanks to government. Karnataka government is supporting us with big grounds. All government school grounds are open for our classes, and many more places. But yes, journeys are still on, and hoping for the best.
एंड यू विल गेट इट इन 5 years. आई विल टेल यू. और इसके साथ साथ आपकी जो भी विजन और है वो मुझे बताएंगे आप 5 साल में आस्था जी डिफेंस एकेडमी को कहाँ देखना चाहते हो 5 साल में? मतलब पद्मश्री तो आपको मिलेगा, आई एम वेरी श्योर. आई थिंक मैंने 5 साल बहुत लंबा टाइम बोल दिया. आप अपनी एकेडमी को कहाँ देखना चाहते हो 5 साल में?
I want all the girls of India should move freely, night also. Even if you are traveling in the cab, you should be tension free. I want to see that. I want to see Astha Self Defense Academy all over India, pan India. This is my vision as of now.
दिस इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल विजन. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, जिस स्पेस से आप जा रहे हो ना, ये बहुत दूर नहीं है, मंजिल बहुत दूर नहीं है मैं कहूँगी. आप सेल्फ डिफेंस के साथ साथ पॉश ट्रेनिंग भी देती हैं.
Yes.
तो मुझे ये बताइए, विच वन इज़ बेटर?
Okay. So both are equally good, but I'll tell you my experience. Though I'm a certified POSH trainer, right? So one of the corporate latest I went for one of the corporate training, for POSH training. They called me for POSH training, and I gave this self-defense session as a complimentary. And the audience, they like the self-defense session more than the POSH training, because POSH talks about law, right? That is good also, and I really respect the POSH training as well. But what we teach is to fight back. Don't get till posh. Fight back then and there itself. So it's like candle march is not the solution. Fight back. Learn these simple techniques and fight back. Yeah, so this is the difference between posh and our training. But I like both. I'm a certified posh trainer as well.
ऐसा आपने अपने स्टूडेंट्स को तो मोटिवेट किया, आपने लोगों को जा के आप गांव में, आप गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स के बच्चों सबको किया, आपने अपने खुद के बच्चों को भी बहुत मोटिवेट किया है. जब कैमरा चालू हुआ तो उससे पहले मैं और आप बैठे हुए थे, एंड आपने मुझे 2 इंसिडेंट्स बताए थे अपनी बेटी को लेकर के, एंड फॉर योर सन ऑल्सो. आई वॉन्ट यू टू शेयर बोथ ऑफ दोज इंसिडेंट्स, कि आप हमारे ऑडियंस को भी बताओ एक बार.
Sure. So it's like I keep setting an example for my kids also. For example, my daughter was 2.5 years old when she ran her first official run of 2 kilometers. 2.5 years old child running 2 kilometers, it's not easy. We did a lot of practice. She used to hold my hand, and we used to run together. And after this run, we featured in Times of India, Bangalore Times, in the middle. We both are holding hands and we are running together. So that was one thing. So I keep setting examples. And for my son, he was 10 years old when he featured in Kannada newspaper. I was the ambassador of that race, that run, and he was a participant. So this way, and apart from this, I keep going for the martial art tournaments. So both my kids, my son as well as my daughter, both are black belt holders. So my son is also a martial art player. He's black belt holder. My daughter is also black belt holder. And I keep motivating them to go and play tournaments. Go out, play tournaments. I keep setting examples in front of them. So this way, they are moving forward, and I hope they will continue.
You were the Bonvita mom, actually. Those moms in advertisement, when we talk about ना, they were like कि इसको जब तक मुझे नहीं हराएगा, इसको जीत की आदत कैसे लगेगी. You were that kind of mom. I do agree. और मैं अपने दर्शकों को एक और बात बता दूं, मैम ना सिर्फ पॉश ट्रेनर हैं, ना सिर्फ वो मार्शल आर्ट सिखाती हैं, बट उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा किया है जिसको सुनने के बाद मेरे को लगा था कि वाओ, दिस इज समथिंग वी शुड टॉक अबाउट. BSO, बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर, गोरखा राइफल्स के कैंप में जाके भी मैम ट्रेन करती हैं. सो व्हाट वाज द फीलिंग व्हेन यू डिड दैट? मतलब कैसा लगता है?
Yeah, so this was like first time when I received this proposal of giving the training to the Gorkha Rifles, BSF, Border Security Force officers. So I was like, what I will teach them, right? So, but that was a proud moment. Then when I went there, they liked my curriculum, and they were like, Madam, you please start conducting the classes here, and this curriculum is quite effective one. And this is what girls need these days. This is the need. This is not an option. This is a need. Right. So yes, and I have gave them in writing that nothing, no financial transactions will be from my end, and it is like free training from my side, because they are doing so much for our country. This much is like बनता है.
एंड आई थिंक जो हमारे देश के लिए इतना कर रहे हैं, अगर आप उनके लिए इतना कर रही हैं और इसके बाद देश की बच्चियों के लिए इतना कर रही हैं, तो मुझे लगता है हमारी ऑडियंस और हम सबको मिलके आपको भी सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. एंड पीपल विल सपोर्ट यू इवेंचुअली, पीपल विल जॉइन यू. एंड आई थिंक ये वाला जो मेरी और आपकी कॉन्वर्जेसन है, वेन एवर दिस विल रिलीज, पीपल विल फॉलो यू, पीपल विल मेक श्योर कि जो आपका ड्रीम है उसे अचीव करने में वो आपकी मदद करें. मेरे शो का एक रिचुअल है आस्था मैम, जो भी मेरे सामने ये हॉट सीट पर बैठता है उसको एक मैसेज ऑडियंस को देना पड़ता है. तो आज आप उस रिचुअल को पूरा करते हुए एक मैसेज
definitely this is the punch line for academy also. Don't raise a princess, raise a warrior. जय हिंद.
जय हिंद. आस्था मैम, आप नहीं जानती कि आप हमारे शो पे आई हैं. ये सिर्फ इस चीज़ से मुझे कितना प्राउड फील हो रहा है और मैं कितना कृतार्थ फील कर रही हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग मी ऑन माई शो.
थैंक यू सो मच.
सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ये थी हमारे साथ आस्था मित्तल अग्रवाल, जिन्होंने लड़कियों की लाइफ चेंज करने के लिए ना उनकी सिक्योरिटी को प्राइम पे रखा है. दोबारा मिलूंगी आपसे ऐसे ही नए किसी के साथ जो आपको इससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे, और शायद ऐसी कोई इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनालिटी जिनको सुनने के बाद आप भी 5 मिनट सोचने को मजबूर हो जाओगे. नमस्कार.